Lesson 5. GUI Operating System. Desktop Management. An operating system is a program that is first loaded onto your computer system when you open it. It manages the computer hardware and all other applications and programs in a computer. Children will be able to know about Windows 10, learn to change the wallpaper, learn features of Windows 10, learn to change the wallpaper, learn to manage multiple windows. Neha. Hey Tia, do you know what an operating system is? Tia. No Neha, what is it? Neha. An operating system is a special program for our computer. It helps our computer to run smoothly and Windows 10 is one of them. Tia. I get it Neha. So what can Windows 10 do? Neha. Well Tia, it performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output devices, etc. Tia. Great Neha, I'm eager to learn more about it. The currently most widely used version of the Microsoft Windows operating system is Windows 10, released on July 29, 2015. The first GUI version of Windows was introduced in 1995 and was called Windows 95. Windows has several distinct versions over the years, including Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista 2006, and Windows XP, Windows 98, Windows NT. Windows 11 is the most recent version of Windows operating system released on October 5, 2021. While previous versions of Windows were mainly designed to run on desktop and laptop computers, Windows 10 is also designed to run on tablets. An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. An operating system manages all of the hardware and software on a computer. Without it, the computer won't be able to work. It keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, copy, and storage of files. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 offers various new features that make it user-friendly and easy to use as compared to its previous versions. Following are some of the important features of Windows 10. Windows 10 has reintroduced a more traditional start menu. In this, it has updated graphics and you can turn to full screen optionally. Cortana is a new feature of Windows 10. It is a virtual assistant just like Siri, Google Voice Assistant, and Alexa. You can use it to set reminders, get weather forecasts, send an email, find files, search the internet, and so on. It is bundled with a new and improved web browser named Microsoft Edge. It is faster, more secure, and with many new features as compared to its previous browser Internet Explorer. Windows 10 offers a feature of multiple virtual desktops and an easy task view to switch between tabs and avoid clustering of multiple windows. Fact Corner. You can access multiple windows with the use of Windows plus Tab button. Windows 10 allows users to switch between tablet mode and desktop mode. The Microsoft Store provides a bundle of updated apps including videos, music, movies, photos, maps, messaging, mail, calendar, etc. Snap Assist is a new feature that helps users to recognize screen space to make the best use of it. Tech Corner. When you snap one of the opened windows on the screen, Snap Assist displays the thumbnails of the other opened apps that can be snapped in the unused space. You can use both windows simultaneously. Basic components of Windows Desktop. The Windows Desktop is the main screen. Here you can access the Start menu, taskbar, and other icons. Windows 10 also introduces a search box in the taskbar from where you can browse both your computer and the web. Tech Corner. The small pictures or graphics on the desktop that represent an application or program are called icons. Start menu. This is located at the bottom left corner of Windows 10. This is the place where you can search for any application. When you click on the Start button at the bottom left of the screen, you get two panels side by side. The left column displayed the pinned, recently added, and the most used apps. The right column displays live tiles that you can customize, resize, and reorganize. Fact Corner. Live tiles display updated information instead of the app icon. For example, the weather tile shows the current weather for your default location. The mail tile displays recent email messages, and the calendar tile shows your upcoming events. Taskbar. The strip along the bottom of the screen displays icons for each running app. It displays the Start button on the extreme left side. Next to the Start button is the search box that facilitates browsing through both your computer and the web. To the right of the search box is the Task View button. The taskbar holds the notification area on the right side, which includes a clock and a group of other icons. These icons display the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. Example, network connectivity, battery status, volume, OneDrive, etc. Icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and apps. They play a very important role in graphical user interface (GUI). Let us learn about some of the commonly used icons. This PC. It gives you a view of the available drives and their content stored on the computer system. Double-clicking on any drive's icon will display the files and folders in that drive. Application icons. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document, or a folder. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Document icons. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon, which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon again. Network. It allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a network. Recycle bin. The recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files or folders. These deleted files or folders can either be restored to the original location or permanently deleted from launching an application. To launch an application from the Start menu, perform the following steps. Step 1. Click the Start button on the taskbar. The Start menu appears. Step 2. Click the All Apps button present at the bottom of the Start menu. A list of all apps stored on the computer appears in an alphabetical order. Step 3. Scroll to find the required application and click on it. The application window appears on the screen and its icon is displayed on the taskbar. Pinning programs to the Start menu. Pinning a program to the Start menu creates a shortcut for an application. This shortcut is in the form of a tile in the tile list to the right of the Start menu. Using this shortcut, you can open the application easily with a single click. You do not need to search for it or scroll through the All Apps list. Steps to pin a program to the Start menu. Step 1. Select Start, All Apps. A list of all applications is displayed on the screen. Step 2. Select the application you wish to pin from the list and right-click on it. A menu appears. Step 3. Select the Pin to Start option from the menu. The selected application will be pinned to the Start menu. Unpin a program. To unpin a program, right-click on the program in the Start menu and select the Unpin from the Start option from the menu. Tech Corner. You can also pin a program as a tile by dragging and dropping it to the Tile section of the Start menu. Resizing tiles. You can also resize the tiles according to your choice. Tiles are generally available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, wide, and large. To resize the tile, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the tile and select the option Resize. 2. Select the size of your choice. Displaying multiple windows at a time. In Windows 10, you can display multiple applications side by side. Steps to open multiple windows at the same time. 1. First open Word 2016 and PowerPoint 2016. 2. Now right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. 3. Click on the Shows Windows Side-by-Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. Customizing desktop. Windows 10 makes it easy to customize the look and feel of your desktop. Steps to customize the desktop. 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. 2. Select Personalize from the drop-down menu. The settings will appear. From here, you can change the font, color scheme, themes and background of your computer. Changing desktop background. You can change the desktop background to change the appearance of your desktop. The background image that appears on your desktop is called wallpaper. Steps to change the desktop background. 1. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. 2. Click on Background, then click on the drop-down arrow of the background. 3. Select the picture that you want to make the wallpaper. 4. You can select the size of the picture from the drop-down menu of the Choose a Fit option. Tech Corner. You can also choose the Browse option to select the picture stored on your computer. Changing the color scheme. Steps to change the color of your desktop. 1. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. 2. Click on Colors. 3. Scroll down to the color palette, choose any color. 4. The selected color will be applied. Changing the theme. Steps to change the Windows theme are as follows. 1. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. 2. Click on Themes. 3. Scroll down and select the theme that you want to use. 4. The selected theme will be applied. Flashback. The first GUI version of Windows was introduced in 1995 and was called Windows 95. Cortana is a new feature of Windows 10. It is a virtual assistant just like Siri, Google and Alexa provided by Microsoft. Windows 10 offers a feature of multiple virtual desktops and an easy task view to switch between tabs. Snap Assist is a new feature that helps users to recognize screen space to make the best use of it. Search box allows browsing through both your computer and the web. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and apps.